A firm has raised $15 million to bring back woolly mammoths from extinction. Woolly mammoths haven't been seen on the globe in over 10,000 years, and a group of scientists wants to utilize gene editing technology to bring them back. Colossal, a startup, has revealed that it has secured $15 million in private funding to bring thousands of woolly mammoths back to Siberia. Colossal has taken several of the initial steps toward reviving the woolly mammoth using CRISPR, a gene editing technique. They matched genomes from surviving woolly mammoth DNA pieces to those of contemporary elephants and identified the most significant changes. The team aims to develop an animal with mammoth-like features by modifying specific genes to generate denser hair or a thicker layer of fat. To develop the mammoth fetus, George Church and his researchers aim to build an artificial mammoth uterus lined with stem cell-derived tissue. They expect to create an elephant-mammoth hybrid in the next several years and aim to have a full woolly mammoth by the end of the decade.
Subscribe to Know How TV to watch more news like this.